Good morning, students. Today we will learn that how to draw a circle on the AutoCAD. You will go to this draw commands toolbar here and click on this flyout under the circle. There are total 6 methods to draw the circle: center, radius, center, diameter, 2 point, then 3 point circle, tan radius circle, tan 10. Right? If center is known and radius is given, then we will select this type of the circle. Suppose we have a line of length 84. I have drawn this line of length 84. Draw a line of length 84, right? This line of length 84. Let me check its length is 84 or not. Yes, length is 84. And then we will click on center radius circle, but this type of circle is used when center is known and radius is given. Click on center radius. Now click on the center. Suppose this end of the line is the center. Click on this end point. Then suppose radius is given 10. Type 10, enter. Right. Then again select center radius. Now click again on this end point. Suppose this is the center. Now you have to draw a circle of radius 17, enter. Now on the second end we will draw two circles using the diameter. Now center is this end point of the line and diameter is 20. Now we will select the second method, center diameter. Click on center diameter, but this type of circle is used when center is given and diameter is known. So click on the center diameter, click here on this end point. Now suppose diameter is 20, type 20 here, enter. Now you have to write the diameter of the circle. Click center diameter, click here on this end point, right? Now draw a circle of diameter 34, type 34, enter. So this type of circle is drawn. Now next method is 2 point circle. So when the 2 points are known, center is not given, radius is not given, or diameter is not given, tangents are not given, only 2 points are known. So click on this now, third method, 2 points. So these are the 2 points. One is here, second one is here. So 2 points are known. So you have to draw a circle here between these two circles. So when you will select this 2 point circle, first of all click here. First of all click here at this end point, that is quadrant. Second click here at this quadrant. Now a circle will be drawn between these two circles. Right. How we can use it? You can click on this. Again I'm deleting this and showing you that how to draw using 2 point circle. When the 2 points are known, you have to draw a circle between the two end points. Click on this 2 point circle, one click here, second click on the other end point, click here. The circle is drawn between these two circles. So these are the 3 methods which are used to draw the circles. After 2 point method, there is another type of circle is 3 point circle. So how to draw this circle using 3 points? But when center is not given, radius is not given, center or diameter is not given, and 2 points, more than 2 points are known. Right? Means if 3 points are known, then we use this type of the circle. That create a circle using 3 points on the circumference. Right? Now, for example, we can take these 3 lines. So these 3 points are known, 1, 2 and 3. The 3 points are known. We can draw circle between among these 3 lines. So select 3 point circle, click on 3 point, then now click on the 3 points. Among you will draw the circle. One, click here, this point, second point is this one, and third point is this one. Now you can see the circle is drawn touching with 3 lines, 3 points. So we have to draw a circle which was touching these 3 points. So this is the 3-point circle. Right, again repeating, if 3 points are known, so how you can draw the circle? Simply click on the 3 point, one click here, second point, third point is here. That's how you can draw the circle. Another type of circle is tan radius. But now center is not known, even radius diameter is not given, 2 points or 3 points are not known. And how we will draw the circle? But we will draw the circle with the help of tan radius. So in this type of circle you must know the 2 tangents and radius. 2 tangent and radius of this circle. We can take the second example. Second example here on the screen, this one. Now I want to draw a circle here. I want to draw a circle here which is tangent on this circle, second tangent on this circle, and radius is 48. Radius is 48. Then I will select this tan radius, the 5th method to draw the circle. Then click on the tan radius here. Click on the tan radius. Then give tangent here. How to give tangent? Simply click on the outer side, because tangent of the circle is at the outer side, like this. Here, click here near to this point, which outer side. Second, click here. See the second tangent, because we have to give the 2 tangents. Click here on the outer side. Then type 48, enter. Then type 48, enter. Right. That's how you can draw the circle using the tan radius. Again, if you want to draw a circle here, okay, draw a circle here of radius 50, which is touching here on the circle inner side and touching here on the inner side. Again, 2 tangent, one tangent here at the inner side, second tangent here at the inner side, and radius is known 50. Right. So again select this 5th method, tan radius. Click on tan radius. One click here on the inner side, second click here on the inner side, 50, enter. You will get a circle like this. Right. So this is the method to draw a circle with the help of tan radius method. Now the third and the last type to draw the circle on the AutoCAD, that tan. So we have to draw a circle when the 3 tangents are given. Only 3 tangents are not. Radius is not given now. Only 3 tangents are given. Suppose we have these 3 circles. Right? And 3 tangents are given. One is here at the circle, second one is here, third one is here. So 3 tangents are given. Then how we can draw the circle? Now select the last method, tan. Tangent. When 3 tangents are given, create a circle, tangents to 3 objects. Right? That total 3 objects mean 3 circles on the screen you can see. So click on this method, tan radius. One click here where you want to give the tangent. Second click here if you want to give tangents here. Third click here we want to give the tangents. You can see that the circle is drawn which has the 3 tangents on the 3 objects. One tangent is here, second tangent is here, third one tangent is here. So this is how you can draw the circle using these 6 methods. I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. I will definitely reply. Thank you very much.